Hello, and today we're going to be doing a science experiment. So this is science with Horse Crazy 8448. So the things you'll need are ivory soap, and yes, it has to be ivory. No other soap can work, and I'll tell you why later. And then a plate, any type of plate. It doesn't have to be this exact plate, just plate. And a microwave, which yeah. And then you're gonna wanna unwrap the soap. Okay, so this is where I tell you why you have to use ivory soap. Ivory soap has air pockets in it, so it's much different than any other soap. And and if you put it in water, if you put it in water, it will float. It won't sink down like any other soap. So what you're going to want to do is take the unwrapped ivory soap and put it on your plate. Okay, then, next, you're going to want to put it in your microwave. Okay. And then you're going to want to cook it for 1 minute and 30 seconds. So, while that's doing that, then I'll tell you a little bit about what's going to happen. So, the ivory soap, it has air pockets in it. So so what's going to happen is it's kind of going to spread apart. You'll see it. Don't worry. You don't have to think about it and then not get to see it. But it kind of will. You'll see. I can't explain it that much. So there's air pockets in the ivory soap. It's different than any other soap. So when the heat from the microwave goes into it, all of the air molecules spread apart because they get heated. So that's how the ivory soap spreads apart. You got 30 seconds. So if you don't know what air molecules are, the little things in the air, you can't see them, but yeah. So when hot air comes, or warmer air comes, they spread apart. When there's cooler air, they'll stay together. So, and there's the thing. So, let's see what it turns out like. And trust me, it turns out really cool. So, you might want to use this because you put it in for 1 minute and 30 seconds, and the plate will probably be hot. And look what it turns out like. This is so cool, right? I know. So, put that down, and I'll talk about it. You see how it spreads apart, and then got all these little. It feels pretty cool too. That's why you have to use the ivory soap, because no other soap has air pockets, so that it won't work. It'll just say soap, really. So it won't work. But if you use ivory, there's air pockets in it. So when the air molecules inside it, in the air pockets, are heated, they like to spread apart because, let me put it this way. Pretend you're air molecules and you get hot, like heated, and you're close together. You don't want to stay close together because it's too hot. So you're going to spread apart. Got it? Okay, so that's how it does it. So these is really cool. And so you can also still use it for hand soap. Watch. See? It still works as soap. Really cool, right? You can just clean your hands with that, which is really cool. I think Ivory soap is like the best kind of soap because of what it does. So it's really cool. So I want to say thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment down in the comment down and say if you want me to do more of these science experiments, because I have tons more ideas, so I can show you cool science experiments like this. The plate is hot. So, well, bye-bye.